The good practices include various types of buildings in which the reduce philosophy focuses on reducing energy, materials, and water usage, lowering carbon dioxide emissions, and minimizing waste production. The presentation will feature 5 case studies of buildings, each illustrating a different approach to the reduce concept. The National Stadium in Beijing, known as the Bird's Nest, is an example of how BREEAM technology and advanced digital tools can be applied to optimize material usage and reduce waste. Tekla Structures software was used for detailed modeling of the most complex parts of the steel structure. This enabled the precise design of structural components, which contributed to a reduction in steel mass from 45,000 to 42,000 tons. Accurate 3D models allowed for meticulous planning of the prefabrication process for steel elements, minimizing production waste and shortening on-site assembly time. During the construction of the Shard in London, the use of BREEAM technology played a key role in precise planning and minimizing material waste. It enabled a twofold reduction in structural steel use compared to initial estimates. Using Synchro software to create 4D models combining time data with the 3D building model allowed for efficient schedule management, conflict detection, and logistics optimization. This contributed to waste reduction and improved construction efficiency. BREEAM also enabled accurate tracking of material usage and efficient resource management, contributing to the achievement of the BREEAM Excellent certification. Hearst Tower is considered the first green high-rise building in New York City. The use of a diagonal grid system called diagrid structure allowed for a reduction in steel usage by 21% compared to traditional steel constructions. Around 85–90% of the steel used in the tower's structure came from recycled sources. Additionally, the historic lower part of the building, from which the new tower emerged, was dismantled from the inside, but about 90% of the materials from the original structure were recovered and recycled. The Museum of Tomorrow in Rio de Janeiro is considered one of the greenest museums in the world. Water from the bay is used to cool the building, resulting in annual savings of up to 9.6 million litres of water and 2,400 megabillion of electricity. Movable photovoltaic modules contribute to an estimated 9% reduction in electricity consumption. During construction, leftover materials from the foundation piles were reused to build temporary structures, helping to save tons of steel. Additionally, approximately 85% of construction waste was recycled. The Bullitt Center in Seattle serves as a notable example of how BREEAM can contribute to waste reduction in construction. Recognized as one of the world's most sustainable buildings, it was developed to meet the rigorous standards of the Living Building Challenge, a framework for sustainable and regenerative buildings. Throughout the design and construction phases, BREEAM played a vital role in evaluating sustainable solutions, minimizing material waste, and ensuring efficient resource use. As a result, 99% of construction waste was successfully diverted from landfills.